So I got a quick tip for you guys when you're about to do a major repair job. So I'm about to do valve covers, timing belt, water pump on this vehicle. And before I take it all apart, I'm gonna hook my scan tool up to it. I'm gonna do a quick code scan and document anything that's on there. That way when I take this vehicle apart, when I'm finished, I'll scan it again after my test drive. And if there's anything that pops up, I know it's my fault. I need to go back in and correct whatever that might be. And also, before you work on the vehicle, anything that pops up on the scan tool, you can make the customer aware of it. And you can even go as far as trying to get diagnostic time or whatever. And that way you're not blamed for anything that you didn't do. You covered your butt. So that's my tip for you. Got a little quick tip video here on how to remove park brake cables from backing plates. So I'm going to take the hose clamp here, slide it over the cable here. And then I'm going to tighten this clamp up, and what it's going to do is it's going to squeeze these little ears on the cable here. It's going to squeeze those in and allow it to slip through the hole. So we're going to tighten this up till it just slightly compresses the tabs on the cable. So you don't want to make it too tight, just tight enough to compress the tabs, and then we're going to reach around the back and pull the cable through. So if it's too tight, it won't come out, but if you get it just right, you can pull the cable out just like that. So as I was picking out the pieces of the valve cover, one of the flipped underneath the cam here, and you can see it down there, the black piece. One of the tips I want to bring you is how to get those out. What I do is I take a screwdriver like this, and I put a blob of grease on the end of it, and then I will take, and I'll go down there and I'll stick it on the plastic, and it'll stick. You can retrieve the plastic little chunks like that. So that's my tip for you. I'm Brian Essen from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching.